Action verbs in English: run, run, jump, jump, dance, dance, swim, swim, read, read, write, write, speak, speak, listen, listen, drink, drink, sleep, sleep, walk, walk, sing, sing, climb, climb, play, play, build, build, create, create, paint, paint, drive, drive, cook, cook, fly, fly, laugh, laugh, cry, cry, hug, hug, kiss, kiss, think, think, solve, solve, teach, teach, learn, learn, work, work, exercise, exercise, clap, clap, stand, stand, play, play, write, write, crawl, crawl, clean, clean, fight, fight, sit, sit, smile, smile, watch, watch, throw, throw, carry, carry, lift, lift, pull, pull, push, push, sleep, sleep, wash, wash, talk, talk, give, give, close, close, open, open, sweep, sweep, paint, paint, catch, catch, cook, cook, kick, kick, hop, hop,